In this video, we will be discussing some technology tools for time management. Technology is everywhere and can be used to streamline and optimize various aspects of our lives. Having said that, let us explore some technology tools so that you can manage your time more effectively and efficiently. Calendar apps. Calendar apps are a great way to keep track of your schedules and meetings. Whether you use the inbuilt calendar app on your smartphone or you use more advanced apps like Google Calendar, these tools easily allow to schedule and manage your time, set reminders, and avoid overbooking yourself. You can also use it to block out time for specific tasks or projects, ensuring that you have enough time to complete everything on your to-do list. Task management apps. Task management apps like Trello and Asana are another useful technology tools for time management. These tools allow you to create and manage tasks and projects, assign deadlines, and track progress. They also offer collaborating features allowing you to work with others so that you can delegate your time more effectively. Time tracking apps. If you are looking to improve your time management skills, then time tracking app can be a great tool for you. Apps like Toggle and Rescue Time allow you to track the time you spend on different tasks and projects, provide you with valuable data to help you identify areas where you may be wasting time or you could be more efficient. They can also help you stay accountable and focused by tracking the amount of time you have spent on each task. Focus and productivity apps. There are a variety of apps that can help you stay focused and productive like Forest or Freedom. These apps allow you to block distracting websites or apps, track your focus time, and provide review and incentive for staying focused. By using these tools, you can reduce the temptation of multitasking or getting distracted, allowing you to be more efficient with your time and complete your task within your time. Digital assistants. Finally, digital assistants like Siri or Alexa can be a useful time management tool that allows you to complete your task hands-free and quickly. Whether you need to set a reminder, making phone calls, or scheduling an appointment, you can tell your Google Assistant and they will create it for you. So there you have it, some useful technology tools for time management. By using calendar apps, task management apps, time tracking apps, focus and productivity apps, and digital assistants, you can manage your time more effectively and efficiently, which reduces your stress and increase productivity. So that's it for today's video. Make sure you drop your thoughts on the comment section below and don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.